Hello, and welcome to the Reset Password tutorial for the Sunsure Advanced Insights application. So in this tutorial, I'm going to cover resetting your password and what that takes. So the first step should be navigating to the Sunsure Advanced Insights application and clicking on the Forgot Password button. Here, you're going to note that a dialog spawns, and it's going to request the email address associated with the account that you're trying to reset the password for. In our case, we're going to use Sunsure Tutorials, and we're going to go ahead and click on Reset Password. And here we can see that an email was sent to the account. So let's go ahead and navigate to sunsuretutorials@gmail.com. And here we can see that we got a new email. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show an extra step that isn't needed on your end. When you click on this link, it should bring you to a page that looks like the following. And this is simply because at the time of this recording, the new Sunsure Agent application has not been released yet, but it will be soon. Okay, so when you click on that link, this is what you should see, the Reset Password dialog form. So here we can click on password and we can create a new password for our account. And we just want to double check that these passwords match. And they do. So let's go ahead and click on Reset Password. And it looks like our password token is invalid. So that could probably be due to the fact that the token that gets sent over is expired. Let's double check that I copied the right one. Okay. And let's try that again.